The following is a short tutorial on how to make a custom banner at the top of your D2L page. Now you're going to see if you scroll over the banner and click on these three dots, you have the ability to change this image. And when you go in and change the image, you're going to see they have a lot of images that you can use and you can search within here, but they also give you the ability to upload an image. And when they give you the ability to upload, that means you can make your own. So today's tutorial is going to be to show you how to do that using Google Drawings. So I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to go into Drive. And if you haven't been to Google Drawings, you're going to go New, More, Google Drawings. Now Google Drawings is very similar to slides in the way it works. It's a really nice way to edit images. So right off the bat, you're going to notice that this banner is not the same width and height ratio that the banner inside D2L is. So we're going to switch that very quickly. So we're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to Page Setup. And we're going to look at these and say, well, we want a custom one because we want to be pretty much the exact same size so it fits nicely. And inside here, I'm just going to give you the numbers. It's 14.5 by 2.5. Now, when you put in 14.5 by 2.5 in inches and you click apply, you're going to see that your banner is going to be very similar to the banner size that you would have when you go into D2L. So this really gives you the template to work off now. One thing I do suggest is labeling this, so because you can use it over and over again, D2L banner template. So each time you go to make it, you can just use this size. You don't have to set up the size every time. Now, when we do this, we can do some different things. You're going to see I can go into Google. Remember, if you search background with the word, so I'm going to say classroom background, and I see, I like this image, I can copy this image and I can paste this image inside of here. And you're going to see that this image isn't fitting right now, but if I drag it, I can get this image to fit quite nicely. Now, when you're in here, a little trick for you to kind of figure out where it goes best is if you go in here and you go format options. I use this all the time, and you go into this one, adjustments, you can increase the transparency. So what that does is allows you to get to see what's actually going to be shown. And so in here, I want this dreams part as part of my classroom. So I'm going to bring this down a little, and I like this. So, and then I can just bring the transparency back to full. The other thing I can also do, because this is kind of confusing, if I double click on it and I get this black line around it, this allows me to also, I can crop that. So now when I put this in, you can see I have a banner, and one thing I'm noticing over here is it's not as fitted as I wanted it to be. So now we're pretty much close to where we want to be. But we might say, hey, there's a white spot in the middle that we would like to, spruce up a little bit. One thing I see is a lot of teachers like to use Bitmojis. So if you are using Bitmoji, you could select a Bitmoji and add this Bitmoji right to your slides. So you can see there's that Bitmoji, and I'm going to put that right in the middle. And this just allows you to do anything you want with that top banner. So once you're happy with this banner, all you're going to do is you're going to go File, Download as a JPEG. So this will flatten it, so it will bring all the layers together. You can see it downloads, it's in my downloads now. So now when I go to this page and I drop down here and I go to change image, I can then just upload that image inside of here and go my computer. I can go upload, and there is the banner in my downloads. I just select it and click on add. And you're going to see it takes that banner and now makes it my new banner. And it's easy to change out these banners. Anytime you go to your template, you make changes in here. Remember, you just download it and upload it back into D2L, and you can see that it fits quite nicely. So that is a short tutorial on how to make a custom banner in D2L.